Oh my gosh. What? 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 Are you okay? Mother Nature texted me. How does she know my number? How does she know what I'm doing?
Morgan, that says Mother Nature.
I think I have a stalker, Holly. Mother Nature is my stalker.
Mother Nature.
No time for talking. I have to inform the authorities.
Ivana! Where are you, Ivana? Come here! Ivana!
Hey, Holly, come here!
How did you get here?
No time for talking. Grab one and help me dump this.
You can't just do... Stop polluting the water?
Mother Nature.
It's Mother Nature, and that's some good advice. You shouldn't be dumping chemicals here or running your car for no good reason. There are almost 62 million deaths a year just from water and air pollution alone.
No time for talking, Holly. We have to find her.
Find Mother Nature. Are you even listening to me?
Found her.